Humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection. From the time we are babies, we seek out the company of others. This instinct for connection doesn't disappear as we age. In fact, it becomes even more important. Strong social connections are essential for a long and healthy life. Friendships, in particular, play a vital role in our overall well-being. They provide us with companionship, support, and a sense of belonging. In times of trouble, friends offer a listening ear and a shoulder to cry on. When we celebrate, they are there to share in our joy. But the benefits of friendship go far beyond these immediate comforts. Research has shown that having close friends can actually help us live longer, healthier lives. This is because social connection has a profound impact on both our mental and physical health. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the specific ways that friendships enrich our lives and contribute to our longevity. By understanding the power of these bonds, we can make more informed choices about prioritizing our social health. Friendships are a cornerstone of mental well-being. They provide a sense of belonging and purpose. When we feel connected to others, we are less likely to feel lonely or isolated. Loneliness and social isolation are serious health risks. They are linked to depression, anxiety, and even cognitive decline. Close friends offer emotional support. They listen without judgment. They offer encouragement and advice. This type of support is invaluable during difficult times. It helps us cope with stress, trauma, and life's inevitable challenges. Friendships also provide a sense of security and stability. Knowing that we have people we can rely on gives us a sense of comfort and peace of mind. This can be especially important as we age and face challenges such as retirement, illness, or the loss of loved ones. Cultivating strong friendships is an investment in our mental health. It's a way to build resilience, boost our mood, and enhance our overall sense of well-being. The benefits of friendship extend beyond our minds. They have a significant impact on our physical health as well. Studies have linked strong social connections to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, and even the common cold. One way friendships benefit our physical health is by reducing stress. Chronic stress takes a toll on the body. It weakens the immune system and increases the risk of developing chronic diseases. Friends help buffer us from stress by providing support, companionship, and a distraction from our problems. Friends also encourage healthy habits. When we surround ourselves with people who prioritize their health, we are more likely to do the same. Friends can motivate us to exercise, eat healthy foods, and avoid unhealthy behaviors like smoking or excessive drinking. Furthermore, friendships provide a sense of purpose and meaning in life. This sense of purpose has been linked to better physical health outcomes, including a lower risk of disability and premature death. Section 4. The science behind social bonds. The link between friendship and longevity is not just a feel-good notion. It's backed by scientific evidence. Numerous studies have demonstrated the tangible benefits of strong social connections. For example, a landmark study by researchers at Brigham Young University found that people with strong social relationships had a 50% lower risk of dying prematurely than those with weaker social ties. This effect was independent of other factors such as age, gender, and health status. Another study, published in the journal PLOS Medicine, found that social isolation and loneliness were associated with a 29% and 26% increased risk of death, respectively. These risks were comparable to other well-established risk factors for mortality, such as smoking and obesity. Researchers believe that social connection influences health through a variety of pathways. For instance, social support can reduce stress hormones like cortisol, which have detrimental effects on the body over time. Additionally, strong social connections can promote healthy behaviors and increase adherence to medical treatment. Section 5. Investing in your social health. The evidence is clear. Friendships are not just enjoyable, they are essential for a long and healthy life. Just as we prioritize our physical health through exercise and a balanced diet, we must also prioritize our social health by investing in meaningful relationships. Make an effort to connect with your friends regularly. This could involve scheduling regular phone calls, video chats, or in-person visits. Join a club, volunteer group, or take a class to meet new people who share your interests. Remember that quality matters more than quantity when it comes to friendships. Focus on building close, supportive relationships with people who make you feel good about yourself. In a world that increasingly prioritizes individual achievement and busyness, it's easy to neglect our social lives. However, we must remember that we are social beings at our core. By nurturing our friendships and prioritizing social connection, we're not only enriching our lives, but also investing in our long-term health and well-being.